All right, so our final example problem, example 5. This one kind of combines everything we've been talking about. So if you think you understand example 3 and 4, I encourage you to try this one on your own and fast forward to the end and see if you got it right. So it says identify the scale factor of the dilation that maps ABCD onto A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Okay, so remember, how do we find the scale factor? What do we divide to get the scale factor? Oh man, you guys are super smart. You do divide the image length by the pre-image. Image over pre-image. Image over pre-image. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing to find the scale factor. And just looking at it, we should be able to kind of determine if it's an enlargement or reduction. So we'll go over that in a little bit. So, looking here, we want to find the scale factor, which you can take any of the sides and divide the image over the pre-image. I'm going to go through all of them with you, but you don't have to do all of them. So, I'm going to start with A prime B prime over AB. So, A prime B prime is this little guy, which is a 3. It'll be over the length of AB. So, be careful. AB is not 6. 6 goes from B prime to B. How would I figure out the length of this whole side right here? You would add the 3 to the 6. So A prime B prime consists of the 3 and the 6. It's from here all the way to here. So 3 plus 6 is 9. So I'm going to do 3 over 9, which reduces down to 1/3. So if I do this correctly, all of my scale factors should be the same. Okay, so now I'm going to tackle B prime C prime over BC, which B prime C prime is 2 over BC, which is 6. And guess what, you guys? 2 over 6 reduces down to 1/3, so we're still golden. The next one I'm going to do is C prime D prime over CD, which C prime D prime is 4 over CD, which is 12. And guess what? 4 over 12 will also reduce down to 1/3. Holy hot dog, right? All right, and then we have one more side to tackle. So A prime D prime over AD. So A prime D prime is 4. Now be careful, AD is not 8. How do we find A to the D? How do we find the length of this whole thing? You would add the 4 and the 8, which 4 plus 8 is 12. And 4 over 12, guess what? Reduces down to 1/3. So the scale factor is 1/3. And knowing that, when the scale factor is in between 0 and 1, is that an enlargement or reduction? Oh man, it is a reduction, and you can also just look at it visually. Like, from the pre-image to the image is a lot smaller than the pre-image. So that means it would be a reduction. So it's a reduction, the quadrilateral gets smaller, and also your scale factor, which I didn't write this, but the scale factor is in between 0 and 1. So if you wanted to include that as well, you could. All right, guess what, you guys? That's it for our dilations examples. Yay! We're all done, so.